Hello. We were discussing how ChatGPT can help in various stages of data science life cycle. And we discussed some advanced ETL techniques, which even has a potential to make the entire ETL process itself obsolete. But now we come back to our routine ETL, how it is performed in most firms at present. That is using SQL or MySQL or maybe MongoDB or maybe uh, Google Sheets, like that kind of usual tools. So let us first do uh, some SQL queries. Let us assume that I don't know anything about SQL. So in that case, this is the database creation first query. So I am asking ChatGPT that please give me the code how to create a new database. I don't know anything. So I just have to give the name of the database, create database DB CGPT. Okay. And this is SSMS in which I execute that query. Create database DB CGPT. Query successfully executed and the database is visible. If I refresh, yes, it is cleared. Fine. Next step would be creating table inside the database. So table creation. Can you generate SQL code to create a table with the player's name and all these things? Now here we are creating schema of the table and there are four columns. Name of the table is Spain Football League and there are four columns: player name, team, date of birth and goals. Okay, because I specified. Again, if you see, the query is in very simple language, as if your uh, boss or maybe even end user has just told the during the automated tool. We will see one such tool in demo where end user can directly specify this thing. So end user will always give in simple English like this. We are not even writing anywhere word that creates schema or any technical word. Okay. So this is the code. Let us execute and let us see if table is successfully created. Yes, command completed successfully. But remember, currently the table is empty. So I want to populate. So create the code, populate above with the information of 15 would be a little bit 10 players. Okay. So create the code and it is generating standard insert into table name field 1 or column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. You should always check with the schema which you have specified. So player name, team, date of birth and goals. Okay, player name, team, date of birth and goals. Four columns are there and yeah, fine. Because sometimes otherwise it may generate additional columns or less number of columns. Let us see if this executes. Yes, it is executed. Fine. Let us check by select star from, what was the table name? I think the table name was Spain Football League. Okay. So Spain Football League. Of course, select a star is not always a good command, but here we are just doing on a demo table, and I know already that this is 10 records only. So fine. Otherwise, better would be specifying the exact column names which you want to retrieve, because practical tables can have even thousands of columns. Okay.